Start.
This is the Mighty Thor from Marvel. Meet the characters and synopsis. Jane Forster, the Mighty Thor. Thor Loki. Jane Forster is worthy of lifting Thor's armor when he cannot. She becomes the Mighty Thor. She uses her new powers to help people. This is Jane Forster. Jane is a doctor. She helps people. Jane is sick. Thor is worried about her. Jane meets the Avengers. They also help people. Thor cannot lift his armor. He must fight without it. Thor's armor calls to Jane. She can lift the armor. The armor changes Jane. She becomes the Mighty Thor. It is what she is meant to do. Jane is not sick when she uses the armor. The Mighty Thor is very brave. She uses her powers for good. She saves lives. That is important to her. Black Widow needs her help. The Mighty Thor flies fast. Black Widow caught a thief. It is Loki. He fights the superheroes. Loki cannot win. Black Widow and the Mighty Thor stop him. The police thank them. The superheroes save the day. The Mighty Thor teams up with the Avengers. It is our job to protect people. It is what she is meant to do. Jane is the Mighty Thor. Word list. Important, something special. Thief, someone who steals things. Superhero, a hero with superpowers. Protect, to keep a person or object safe.